Hi, hello guys, 𝙬𝙬Slides here. We create excellent presentations. In this video, I will teach you how to crop images to interesting shapes in PowerPoint as usual. So let's get started. Actually, before we even start, please make sure to subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell, because then you will not miss out any of my future videos about PowerPoint and of course presentation design. So right now we can go into the work. So as you can see, I have already inserted just an image. If I click on this image, new window pop up. As you can see here, picture format, so just click on it. And here you have crop section. So please click on this drop down arrow. And as you can see right here, you have something called crop to shape. So let's say we would like our image to be cropped to maybe triangle. So here you have a triangle, just click on it, and as you can see, everything works fine. Of course, you can crop this image to different shapes. You have a lot of them. As you can see here, you can find plenty of those shapes. But let's say in this case, I would like it to be maybe health. Yeah, I think that's fine. So as you can see, it's really simple. This video is also really short, but I just wanted to share with you this trick that you can find in PowerPoint. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, please post a like below. If you have any questions, as always, post a comment and I will make sure to respond to you as soon as possible. And of course, like I said before, make sure to subscribe the channel with notification bell turned on, because then you will not miss out any of my future videos. Once more, thank you guys for watching, have a great day and lead a happy life. 𝙬𝙬Slides.